Now, another way to use listing hacks to crush your competition is simply to add value to your listing. There are a lot of different ways to add value, and that way you don't have to compete on price. See, almost all eBay sellers try to compete on price. But what if your listing has a bonus, an added bonus that all the other people don't have? That's another way to compete and actually to give your customers even more value. Now, I actually did this with a weight loss shake that I used to sell. Everyone else was trying to compete on price. So I decided to add some fitness videos to my listing as an added bonus. Now, just to give you a little background on this weight loss shake, a friend of mine recruited me into this company, and strictly on the basis of the fact that I could sell these on eBay and make a lot of money, which is what I did. I wasn't into it for the shake itself, although I tried it and it was very good. I wasn't into it for the network marketing aspect, which is what it was. It was a network marketing company. I was into it because I found out I could buy wholesale and sell retail on eBay and make some really good money. And whenever I sold the shake on eBay, I didn't have to do any shipping. All I would do is log into my website that they give you. Most network marketing companies nowadays give you a website. Logged into my website, purchased the shake kit wholesale, and had it shipped to my new customers. That way, I didn't have to do any shipping, yet I made $30, $40, $50 per unit on that deal. And that was an awesome deal. So rather than compete on price, because everybody was trying to sell it at the lowest possible price and still make some money, I decided to add value to my listing. So I bought the private label rights to a collection of digital fitness videos, and then I added that bonus in both the title and the description of my listing, so that people knew that they were not just getting this shake kit that had 60 days worth of shakes, but they were also getting fitness videos as well as an added bonus. And this automatically improved sales and made my customers much happier. And here's an example of the bonus that they got. Basically, they got access to a members area, which was basically just a web page that I created, where they could actually watch all of these videos and more. This goes down a little bit further down the page. So this was the bonus that I added to the weight loss shakes. And it was very easy to do. If you know a little bit about web design, you could do this on a page very easily. If you don't, you could have somebody do it for you very quickly. But the point is not whether you can put a website together or a web page together where it shows videos. Actually, you could have listed all of these on YouTube as private or unlisted videos and just sent them the links to the private or unlisted videos. That would have been a very easy way to do it as well if you didn't know how to put them all onto a web page. The point is really the example of how you can add value very easily by buying the rights to a product and adding that product as a bonus to your main product. Now, there are other ways to add value as well. For example, you can give a related ebook or a video bonus like I did in the previous example. What you want to do there is just search the main topic of your product and then search the words PLR. PLR stands for Private Label Rights. And private label rights simply means that you are buying the rights to resell that ebook or to resell those videos. And by the way, private label rights are very inexpensive. So you could search weight loss PLR and you'll find a ton of topics. You could search just about any topic and the words PLR, and you'll find all kinds of related ebooks, videos, even software that you can add to your product as an added bonus. And again, the PLR is very inexpensive. It could be anywhere from $2 to $30, $40 on the high end, but it's a great way to add value. You can also create bundles of the same product or sell that product in different sized lots than your competition is doing and compete on that basis. You could source a closely related product. You could source a product that makes sense, that goes right along with your main product, and add that as a bonus. You could also add in a free consultation or other related service. So let's use the weight loss example, and let's say that you're selling this locally. You would maybe add a free consultation with yourself. Let's say you're a personal fitness trainer or something like that. Anything that you can do to add value. These are just creative ways for you to think of ideas of ways that you can add value. Another way I added value once was I was selling some 10 DVD sets that contained a coupon for a bonus DVD. It was a mail away coupon, so you had to mail it away and in order to get that DVD. Well, I found a source for the bonus DVD and I started adding them to the sets so that those customers didn't have to mail away for the bonus. So I turned that 10 DVD set into an 11 DVD set. And that's one other way that I added value. Now, obviously, you wouldn't want to go to all this trouble for just a one-off product, right? But when you have a constant source of a product, you'll want to put as much into your listing as possible and as much into your value adding as possible, because one listing can sell you a lot of products over time. Plus, if you can optimize the heck out of your listings the way I'm showing you in this course, your listings will move up in eBay's best match search algorithms and you'll dominate your competition.